and I will adore you. Filled with wonder, awestruck wonder, at the mention of your name. Jesus, your love is power, breath and living power, and you are the King of all. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. Oh, in all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. Holy, holy, holy is the